Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you marker menu in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what basically marker menu is? Basically we use marker menu to mark something. How see? What I do first I will come in timeline and I will click here, and as you can see that now showing me current time, and definitely here we have this line. Okay, then what I do, I will go in marker menu and I will say that mark in means start mark. Okay, and if I click, as you can see that now showing me marking. Okay, and I will click here, and as you can see that now right now my current time indicator is here. And what I do, I will go in marker and this time I will say mark out. As you can see that now I have this mark, getting me? So let's suppose if you want to get something like this, so definitely you can get with the help of mark in and mark out. Mark in will start your marking and mark out will finish your marking. Okay, then definitely if I come here and if I click here and if I say delete, definitely I can also delete that part also, getting me? So let's suppose if I have this part and if I want to clear this part, or let's suppose if I want to remove this part from my video, so I can also do with the help of mark in and mark out. And definitely if I say delete, so definitely I will not get this part anymore, getting me? So this is the work of mark in and mark out, getting me? And if I double click on my video, as you can see that right now I have a source monitor. So in the source monitor we also have the option mark in and mark out, getting me? So this is totally up to you which option to use. If you want to use this mark in and mark out is also fine, or if you want to use mark in and mark out in marker menu, you can also do, getting me? So definitely it's totally up to you. Mark in and mark out, they both are same here, getting? You can also use mark in also here, and mark in is here, and mark out, definitely mark out option is also here, getting me? Then what do we have next? We have mark clip. Let's suppose if you want to clip, if you want to make mark all the clip. Let's suppose if you don't want to use mark and mark out, if you want to mark all the clip, so how can you do? If I click on mark clip, as you can see that now I have marked all the clip, getting me? So let's suppose if you want to mark, if you want to mark all the clip, if you don't want to mark a specific part of your clip, but if you want to mark all the clip, so definitely with the help of mark clip you can do. So if I say mark clip, so definitely it will mark all the clip, getting me? Then what do we have next? We have definitely a mark split. So what basically mark split is? Let's see. So first I will come in the source monitor, and as you see that now my current time indicator is here. So what I do, I will click on mark in and I will click here. Now as you can see the blue is coming, blue is here, and this is called current time indicator, and this time I will say mark out, getting me? Now I have this mark in source monitor, getting me? Now what I do, I will go in marker, and here we have the option called mark split. So let's suppose if you want to split, in easy word we can say that if you want to split or if you want to remove video, so definitely you can also do. So let's suppose if I want to remove videos, it's asking there from where do you want to remove. I say start from video in and till definitely till video out. And if in this time if I keep my current time indicator here, and if I say insert, so as you can see that now I have just audio. How see? If I play it, so getting me? So now it's giving me just audio, getting me? So let's suppose if you just want audio, if you just want video from your definite video, so you can also getting me? So if we say that mark in mark out, and at this time if I go in marker and if I say audio in and remove till audio out, getting me? And if I say insert, so now as you can see that now I have just video, not audio. Now it is being played, but you can see that now I don't have audio, getting me? So let's suppose if you want to if you just want to get you can say audio or video from your video, definitely with the help of mark you can do. In easy word, let's suppose if you don't want to work like this, so how can you do? For example, if I come in here, if I link selection, if I remove, if I click my audio and if I say delete, so definitely if I play this, as you can see that now I don't have audio. So definitely we have two ways to delete audio or video. The first way is this: if we go in marker and split marker, definitely if I click here and if I say split video in and video out, means it will start splitting from video in till the video out. And definitely if I say the video in and audio in audio out, so definitely it will remove or split audio, getting me? So definitely we have two ways. If we come and if we click on video and if I say delete, so definitely as you can see that now I don't have video anymore. And if I play, as you can see that now I have audio but not video. So we have two ways. The first way is marker mark split, or this. Okay, select and say delete. Then what do we have next? We have go in and go out. Let's suppose if I have marker here, mark in, if I say mark, okay, so let's suppose here I have mark. So let's suppose if I want to go at a start or starting of mark in, so let's suppose if I say mark in, so you can see that the starting of my mark, and if I say that the last part of the mark, so as you can see that now showing me the last part, getting me. So with the help of the current time indicator, current line, definitely we can get. Then what do we have next? We have clear in and clear out. Let's suppose if you want to remove the starting part of the mark, so you can do remove. If I say clear in, as you can see that now I don't have you can say mark in, getting me. And let's suppose if I want to remove you can say mark out, so definitely I don't have mark out anymore, definitely. And if I say that I don't want marker, because as you can see that now showing me mark, okay. So if you don't want mark, if you say yeah I want to get rid of this marker, so how can you remove this marker? What you need to do, you need to first come in marker, and here we have the option called mark in and mark out. As you can see that now I don't have marker anymore. So let's suppose if you want to clear, or if you want to delete, or if you want to remove marker, so definitely you can do here. Then what do we have next? So we have add marker. So let's suppose if I keep if I click here, and as you can see that now my current time indicator is here in this line, and if I go in mark, so here we have add marker option. So definitely with the help of add marker we can add marker. So if I click on add marker, or what I do, I first select this, delete this, click and drag, and if I go in marker, and it say as you mark, so you can see that now I have marker. As you can see that now it's showing marker, and if I click here, and as you can see that now my current time indicator is here, and if I go in marker, and if I say add marker, so you can see that now I have marker, getting me. So let's suppose if you want to get marker, so if you go in marker, and if you say add marker, so it will give you marker. So what basically marker is it just for you? It is just for you. Let's suppose if you are working, and let's suppose if you want to do something here, for example if you are just playing this video, and if you say that okay, you know, after viewing this video, and let's suppose if I want to work here, so definitely I will mark here. So if I go in mark, and if I say add marker, so definitely there is indication, okay. So when I will come here, and when I will start editing, so it will remind me, okay Naveed, you want to do something here, you wanted to do something here, so definitely it is for my reminder, getting me. So let's suppose if I want to get the marker, so I will go in marker, and I will get the marker. And if I want to get a next marker, let's suppose if I have right now this marker, so if I want to see the next marker, as you can see the now showing me this marker, and if I say again next marker, so definitely it will show me the next marker, getting me. And if I want to go back, if I want to see the previous marker, as you can see my previous marker, and if I have previous marker, as you can see that now I have previous marker, getting me. Let's suppose if you want to remove the selected marker, as you can see that now this marker has been selected. Let's suppose if I want to clear or remove this marker, so if I click, as you can see that now I don't have that marker anymore, getting me. And if I say remove all the or clear all the markers, so as you can see that now I don't have markers anymore, getting me. I don't have any marker. So if I say clear all, so it will remove all the markers. Then what do we have next? We have add chapter marker. Chapter markers are very useful, because when we go and if I go and if I click on add marker, so if I click hover on it, as you can see nothing is showing to me, okay. So let's suppose if I want that whenever I hover on that marker, so it will show me something. So definitely if I want this, so what I do, I will take the help of add chapter marker. So if I click on add chapter marker, so now it's asking the name of your marker. So if I say Naveed, it came in name, okay. So if I say Naveed place, and let's suppose if I want to give comment here, so I say fine, or if I say this is, it came in, this is my comment for you, okay. And let's suppose if I want to give the color to my marker, I can also give, let's suppose if I say this color, and if I say okay, so as you can see that now I have this marker, okay. And when I hover on that marker, definitely as you can see, they now showing me Naveed place, and this is my comment, getting me. So let's suppose if you want to get the comment, from your marker, so definitely with the help of you can say chapter marker you can get. What you need to do, you need to first come here anywhere. For example, if I click here, as you can see that my current time indicator is here, or this line is here. So if I go in marker and if I say add marker, so definitely I can give name to my marker, and I can also give comment here, and I can also select the color for my marker, and if I say okay, so definitely will give me a color, and also that when I over it, definitely will give, it will show me the you can say the name of my marker and also comment, getting me. So this is the work of chapter marker, and flash marker is also same. Okay, so this was lecture on marker menu in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz fi aman Allah, and I will meet you in the next. Till then, Allah Hafiz.